people of Bangladesh, their staple is rice, and along with rice, the dal, the lentils. Unfortunately, we don't produce enough lentils in the country. So this is one way that we can address that shortage, fill the shortage in the country. At the same time, we encourage the farmers to produce it for export market, so that you have not only you produce the lentils, you don't not only produce mung dals, also very high quality mung dal, so that you can get a good price. When they get a good price, they will be enthusiastic to produce more.
Bangladesh is one of the developing countries of the world. The economy of this country has grown depending on agriculture. To maintain the development of the economy's main driver, agriculture needs modern technology, latest information technology within the farmer's reach, proper utilization of lands, and a farmer-friendly, suitable market system. For this purpose, the government of People's Republic of Bangladesh, along with various NGOs and companies, are working together. A Japanese venture company who succeeded in mass culture of Euglena for the first time in the world, Euglena Corporation Limited, Grameen Krishi Foundation joint venture, Grameen Euglena, is such an organization. Focusing on the idea of social entrepreneurship and to promote mung beans cultivation, the organization has initiated microcredit system among farmers, distributing seeds that are highly productive, developing the technical support along with marketing and exporting the produced mung beans. This project is being driven with cooperation of JICA and JETRO.
The farmers are the lowest layer in the production process, because they have to do it by their hand with the soil and so on. And they work very hard. They sweat to grow things. It's a natural process. It's not something you turn on the switch and it produces something. It's not like that. You have to depend on so many parameters, so many variables around you, so that everything has to click before you get the production. And they are the one who always get the raw deal, because everybody else makes money. Those who are buying things from them and selling it to the consumers, and the middlemen catch up all the benefits, and the real producers don't get it. So social business want to address that, so the benefit comes to the producers, the growers get the benefit.
To ensure the right price of the produced crop, the Grameen Euglena has already started working successfully in some districts selectively. The mung beans project is being run mainly in Borishal and Potuakhali in southern part of Bangladesh and at Ishurdi in northern Bangladesh. As part of the project, they are encouraging the farmers and informing about mung bean cultivation process with other activities.
যেহেতু মুগ ডাল একটা খুব কম সময়ের ফসল, 60 থেকে 65 দিন, তা আপনি এই যে ফাঁকা সময়টা যেসব প্রতি জমিতে ফেলে রাখছেন, ওই সময়টাতে যদি আপনি মুগ ডালটা চাষ করেন, তাহলে আপনি ওই সময়টাকে কাজে লাগাইলেন, আপনার জমিটাকে কাজে লাগাইলেন। এতে করে আপনার জমিতে যেমন সবুজ সার মিশলো, আপনার নাইট্রোজেন মিশলো, ঠিক তেমনি আপনি এখান থেকে একটা বাড়তি উপার্জন করতে পারবেন।
With the precise research and technical support of Grameen Euglena impulsively helping the participating farmers in land selection, preparation, usage of chemical fertilizer, seed sowing techniques, process of seed beds and canal making, cautioning about use of insecticides, process of weeds reduction, along with mung beans collection and preservation and marketing as well. 60% of the mung beans produced by this project will be supplied to Japan, and rest of the product will be supplied in Bangladesh without any profit. The projects can ensure countrywide need of mung beans and international markets, as well as creating options for employment in rural phenomenon. In 2015, 3,200 farmers are being involved in this project in the rural sector. Grameen Euglena is expecting the number of farmers will be increased to 10,000 within 2018.
লাভজনক মনে হয় যে হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ, যদি ভালো দাম পাওয়া যায়।
যে সময়ের মধ্যে আমাদের কালাইতে হবে সে সময়ের মধ্যে কর্ম মানে একটু কমেই থাকে। সেই সময়ের মধ্যে আমরা এই জিনিসটা তুলবো, এই জিনিসটা কর্ম করব, দুই একটা মানুষ নেব, এটা তারাও বাঁচবে, আমরাও উপকৃত হব।
আমি প্রথম যে পট তুলছি তাতে আমার ওখানেই লাভ আসে, লাভবান হয়। আর তারপরে আবার তো পট আছে, তা তাতে পট আমি দেখছি অন্য অন্য ফসলের চাইতে দ্বিগুণ 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 লাভ হবে আমার।
50 শতকের জমি কিন্তু একবারে আমি সাহস করে আবাদ করছি, কিন্তু এখন মানুষ দেখি বলতেছে এবার যে আবারটা আমি দেখতেছি আগামীতে আমরা প্রচুর হালে লাগাবো, কেন আমরা দেখতেছি কালাই হবে আর আমরা আবাদও করব।
The sprouted seed of moong bean is very popular as nutritious vegetable in Japan. Only in 2014, Japan imported moong bean worth $600 million, mostly from China and some from Myanmar. This huge need of moong bean in Japan has opened a new door of potential prosperity for the farmers of our country. To produce the moong bean as a cash crop, Grameen Uglina is working on ways to increase production of moong beans 1.5 times better per hectare, where a farmer can get more income and more benefit from limited land of Bangladesh.
2016, our target is 2,000 ton. And also within 3 years, involved farmers number will become 10,000 over. As a result, our harvest became over 5,000 ton. Through this project, we will contribute the stable supply mango bean to Japan. Also, we will create a job opportunity and to increase their income in Bangladesh for the rural performers. That's my big purpose.
The remarkable importance and impact of this project is a win-win relationship with the farmers and the organization. Moreover, Bangladesh can create huge employment in rural areas so that farmers can enjoy better lifestyle in their areas. Japan can get agro-item by diversifying these opportunities so that they will be able to create a long-term, trustworthy friendship.
This social business will bring technology for them, will bring good quality production for them and good marketing channel for them, and they can rely on it because it's a social business, because nobody is trying to cheat them. Social business has no intention of cheating anybody. Social business is there to solve their problems. So this is what the exciting thing for the farmers. They have not addressed that kind of thing in the past. And if people, the farmers in this particular project find it exciting, then we can expand it for many other crops. So this is an example. It's a very pioneering work in that sense, and not only in Bangladesh, it's a globally pioneering work.